Real growth happens when you're tested, when you make tough decisions, and we navigate uncertainty, complexities to guide the company forward. This is something I learned early on. When I was younger, I had the opportunity to know my my father's business partner. One moment that stands out when I received a telephone call from Henry C. Sr., Tatang, asking me about something. And I felt that it was a moment that said that my father was able to transfer his business partner's relation to me. So to me that was a very important moment. Now I try to do the same, introducing our emerging leaders to key relationships, guiding them through business dynamics, and teaching them the spoken words of leadership. We ensure that they participate in high-level meetings, not just as observers, but as contributors. Lead actual projects, make tough decisions, face crises that test their ability and think on their feet. Those who are familiar with the MCI Group know that we are not formal, rigid. It's written, but I don't know whether it's followed.
Okay, it's one thing to have one and then to apply it.
Young people cannot internalize the essence of the so it takes time and it takes, I think, real world experiences to understand the real meaning of the Constitution. How do you move it? It's not a piece of paper, no? Instead of guidelines that defines behavior.
And then, since you have the mic, you talk about mentoring your nephews and nieces. How about your own children? Do you have any regret that they are not? Are they interested in the business, or do they have roles to play?
My eldest son is more interested in developing his own business than running the business of the family. So, bahala siya. At any time he wants to work the company, he's welcome. My daughter is not inclined my eldest daughter is not inclined to the commercial side of the world. We're more inclined on the non-NGO philanthropy, helping communities. So
Good.
My two other children are still in school. So.
And put into practice its core values and noble tenets of fairness, accountability, independence, transparency, and honor. I like my pledge to advance the interests of the investing public, to which this association is dedicated, and to conduct myself in a manner befitting